Screw, screw. I'ma pull up on your bitch like screw, screw. Alright, bro. What's up? Today, bro. That's gonna be a trademark on this channel. Today, bro. Geyser. Today, bro. I'm going on a, if you guys can hear outside, I have my window open this time. I just want to see if, like, if I mean, vatsi shiguti uso chuna galani. I swear I'm Zulu. I've just been speaking English for so long, bro. I'm done for. Today, I'm going to a car show. Finally going out. Finally going to touch grass. I'm finally going to touch grass today, y'all. You're wondering why can you see the other side of my room? It's because I derailed. What was I saying? I said, yeah, if you're wondering why, like, it like looks different and stuff, I did some changing, so now you can see like my TV and what I have going on. You can see a bit more of the LEDs and shit like that, but I just feel like I want to sit down now. I'm sitting on the chair. I want to sit down and like make these now, and then when I do other stuff, I'll be in like the separate room, and I come back, sit down, because my back, boy, I'm gonna get scoliosis if I continue. I swear. My phone's sliding, bro. Geyser. I'm not gonna get ready on here. You guys will see me throughout the video. I'm gonna ask someone to like hold a phone or something at like different intervals of the shandies, isn't it? So yeah, bro, I'm just gonna show y'all what I get up to, me myself, not what like the day. I guess I'll show y'all like what the day has in store, but like I'm gonna show y'all how I interact with like my friends and what so forth. I'm gonna be linking up with a couple old friends, just two old friends. We go way back like hairlines, bro. So yeah, bro, stay tuned and shit. Like, watch the whole thing. Leave a like or not. Niggas don't really leave likes, they just watch and they fuck off. But you feel me? It's okay. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna catch y'all in separate clips. I don't know if I'll be talking a lot today. I'm gonna be shy. It's gonna be the first time with my camera out walking around, but I'll try. You feel me? I'll try. But it's definitely gonna be different. Niggas are gonna be looking at me like, yo, nigga, you dead ass, like, you doing this, bro? This is you. This is your real life now. But yeah, man, it is what it is. Enough yapping though. Enough talking and shit. I'm gonna catch y'all in it. These niggas just got here, bro. They just got here. I'm out now. Okay then. Okay. My brother in Christ.
Yes, sir.
Tap me up one time. Say hi to YouTube.
Yes,
Brother, yes, bro. Well, congratulations on the fucking 1,000 views and shit. Congratulations, nigga.
You guys also YouTuber now. I'm inside, not really. Like, if it does
In
happen,
for it.
if it does happen, it needs to be in a very closed off area.
Yeah. Don't tell me I forgot my. Where'd you get 2 phones?
Oh, I got a phone today. My phone is
Ho-ho.
tight upgrade. So
Money. We're getting money. Oh, what's my
you
left
better
my
say
face?
more money. What I'm about to tell you now, I know you're gonna say something.
What?
I bought a PS5.
You better be motherfucker! Yo! What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? This nigga got money now! What the fuck?
I'm dead as broke.
Did you hear about that hand, that thingy?
That guy in 7 years.
Yeah. Oh, that shit is crazy. I'm saying, what would you do though?
I end it, bro. Imagine she still comes. She's like, no, it was just the thing of the moment.
Yeah, still talking about celebrity crushes and no, bro. But that is a celebrity crush, but yo.
Like the thing is, there's a gent's perspective, bro. Oh, what are you gonna do, bro? After 7 years, and then.
No, but then it's like, bro, what they did on stage, bro.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, as a gent, they'd be like, no, but the thing is, this is a mistake. Like, how do you overdo that?
Bro, he was this close to being in her fucking chalupa, bro. She was bent over everything on stage in front of so many people. Niggas are like recording him with the flash on.
Yo,
They're like this
imagine
close to him.
That chick that was there, that chick that was next to him, and she's looking at him, she's like consoling him and stuff like that. I'm like, nah.
Oh, yeah. It wasn't the word. I'd probably crash out, bro. Crashing out, going to the studio, making a song. Nah, dog. I will lie, man. Landed at the spot. Finna look at cars and shit. Daddy bought me a Mazda.
Since when a nigga cared about some bitches, nigga? Niggas know I've been gay.
Was it really though? It's part of destination stuff, you know?
If it makes it.
Yeah, you can do that in yours, huh?
Yeah, that's why I advertised this video. I can't do that. I told you I can't do that. And then proceed to do that.
The smell of tires is nice.
Oh, ho, brother, ho, whoa, 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 now.
Until it becomes too much.
Yep.
Until it becomes too much.
Because that night I was dead.
I don't wanna.
We got bucket seats in the Honda Civic.
Wait, does that mean?
Oh my gosh!
Bro. Damn. Bro, I can barely speak without like, yo. There's always gunshots in the background. That's it, bro. Welcome to what?
Welcome to Cautious.
Yup. Broke my virginity.
Hey, what do you mean by that?
I broke my car show virginity, bro.
You broke your virginity.
Yeah.
So where did you go to? And stuff?
We go here, then we'll fetch it.
We'll fetch it later.
Fetch you later.
Tesh.
Oh, where'd he go? Oh, it's over there.
He's there.
I came from the airplane. That's fire though.
Nice to meet you. I'm busy doing this and I can't feel it.
I can smell the inside of this coffin. Yo, it's got inside lights too. Big. On the inside, it's got lights too.
Why is this guy leaving? Looking at pictures. Turn around.
Twisky. Oh, just
Yeah,
switched
the
on.
lights are on.
Holy shit.
But now I'm too short.
Yeah, what's good, y'all? So I'm at home. I got home about like 3 hours ago, 2 hours ago, some shit. And I'm editing this, bro, on my iPad, and I'm just like looking at the video. I didn't talk a lot, like I said, prior to that, like prior to when I actually went out, and I'm like contemplating, like, should I upload this, should I not? I don't know, but I probably will. Fuck it, like, why not? I was like in my head about it. I'm like such a perfectionist about how I want like my stuff to come out. So I'm probably upload this then. I'm not no pussy, I'm not no bitch. So I'm gonna upload it, bro. My regular viewers might be like, "Oh, this is boring." I don't want to see cars. I want to see him. I want to see him naked. Him naked. Him naked. Next time, you know, I got y'all. This week is back to regular scheduled programming, so I got y'all. But yeah, bro. I try my best to make it like me. But hopefully, like, I get better at like my vlogs, and you know, I can like be myself more. Shout out to Tash. I met bro for the first time today. Also, the camera's like really close to my bro. Vlogging is weird, I won't lie to you. I have a long way to go. Even like my camera angle is like here instead of like up here. So I have to get used to that. I need a tripod, guys. Donations. You feel me? But yeah, so my camera's like really close to like my fucking mouth, bro. I am super fucking insecure about my damn teeth, bro. You're not the greatest, I know, but I try to like shrug it off a little bit from time to time. But yo, appreciate y'all. Shout out to 16 subs. Woo! I appreciate y'all for actually like subbing up. Like, yo, I'm not the most interesting person on earth, but I am a cool nigga, so I appreciate y'all. Thank you for the subs. I mean, then yeah, bro, I'ma catch y'all And the next one. Peace. I love, bro.
Baby, I know you're about to fall asleep, but there's something happening underneath these sheets, babe. And I was wondering if you could